Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today I wanted to do a halo smoky wing liner kind of look. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I know I wanted it to be bright, kind of smoky, but still summerish. Like summery, like not too smoky. So I did the halo, I did a wing liner. I'll have everything listed down below of what I'm using. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is the final look, and I wanted to make my eyebrows a little bit darker. I still am not happy with the color that I have. So I picked up a whole bunch of LA Colors, LA Girl eyebrow pencils in light brown, soft brown, blonde, taupe, and still I don't know. But I do like this. This is the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volume. It is in blonde, so it does make it lighter, but it has like the little fibers in it. So since I don't have brows, it gives, you can see some of the fibers which look like my lashes. So I only put this right in the front there. I don't know if you can see that, but like that. So that's how that looks. So this is the look. I wanted like a halo, but still a wing liner. I still wanted a little smokiness. I still wanted it to be bright, and this is the color. This is what it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you're notified when my next look goes up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.